दोस्तों, मैं फिर से कुना फ्रॉम कुना सॉल्यूशन आपके लिए कुछ और जीके क्वेश्चंस कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में आपको जो कि मदद करेगा वो क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ। तो इसको लीजिए, स्टार्ट करते हैं। और सबको मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, पूरा वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंडिंग तक देखिए और उसके बाद उसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और उसके साथ अपना कमेंट बॉक्स में जितना हो सकेगा उतना कमेंट कीजिए ताकि हम अपने वीडियो को और भी बेहतर बना के आप तक। महात्मा गांधी फाउंडेड द न्यूज़पेपर in 1903 at South Africa. Africa was number A, Indian opinion. Number B, Harijan. Number C is Indian speaker. And number D is Indian news. So the first question is, Mahatma Gandhi founded the newspaper in 1903 at South Africa was first option Indian opinion, second option Harijan, third option Indian speaker, fourth option Indian news. So the first option is correct, that is Indian opinion. Number two, who wrote Arthashastra? Who wrote Arthashastra? Number one, first option is Kalam, Kalham, Kalam. Number B, the second option is Banavatta. Number C, third option is Chanakya. Third option is Chanakya. And the fourth option is Viskalharadatta. Viskalharadatta. Who wrote Arthashastra? This is the second question. And the first option is Kalam, second option is Banavatta, third option is Chanakya, and the fourth option is Viskalharadatta. So the answer is Chanakya. Chanakya wrote the book Arthashastra. Number three. What is the third question? Which of the following personalities from India? Which of the following personalities of India is the only winner of special Oscar, is the only is the only winner of special Oscar Oscar in the history of Indian cinema. In the history of Indian cinema. Which of the following personalities of India is the only winner of special Oscar in the history of Indian cinema? The first option is Mihir Sen. The first option is Mihir Sen. And the second option is Shyam Bhugal. Number B is, this is not Mihir Sen, this is Minal Sen. Minal Sen. Second option is Shyam Bengal. Third option is Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray. And the fourth option is Meera Nair. Meera Nair. So, which of the following personalities of India is the only winner of special Oscar in the history of Indian cinema so far? Number one, first option is Minal Sen. Number two, second option is Shyam Bengal. And the third option is Satyajit Ray. And the fourth option is Meera Nair. The fourth option is Meera Nair. And the correct one is Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray won the Oscar, special Oscar in the history of the Indian cinema so far. Number fourth question. Which of these personalities, which of the following personalities which of the following personalities is considered to be the organizer of Sankhya philosophy? Which of the following personalities is considered to be the organizer of Sankhya philosophy. So the first one is Bharat Muni. The first option is Bharat Muni. Second option is Kapil Muni. The second option is Kapil Muni. The third option is Adi Shankaracharya. The third option is Adi Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya. And the fourth one is Agastya Rishi. And the fourth one is Agastya Rishi. Agastya Rishi. So see here, the fourth question is, which of the following personalities is considered to be the organizer of Sankhya philosophy? Number first option, Bharat Muni. Second option, Kapil Muni. Third option, Adi Shankaracharya. Fourth option, Agastya Rishi. So the correct answer is B, the Kapil Muni. Correct answer is B, Kapil Muni. So the next one, national emergency arising out of the war. Number 5. National emergency arising out of the war, arising out of the war armed rebellion or external aggression, armed rebellion and external war, external aggression, armed rebellion or external aggression is developed under the first one is article number 290, article 290. Number second one is article 352, article 352. Number third one is article 356, article 356. And the fourth one is article 370. Article 370. National emergency arising out of the war, armed rebellion and external aggression is developed under number 1. First option is article 290. Number second option article 352. Third option article 356. Fourth option article 370. So the answer is article 352. Next one, number 6, the Maratha and the Kesari were the two main newspaper, newspaper started by the first option is लाला लाजपत राय, लाला लाजपत राय। The second option is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The third one is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The third one is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the fourth one is Madan Mohan Malviya. Madan Mohan Malviya. Madan Mohan Malviya. Madan Mohan Malviya. The Maratha and the Kesari were the two main newspapers started by Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, number C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, number D, Madan Mohan Malviya. The correct answer is C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Sankhya Muni is another name of Sakya Muni. Number 7, Sakya Muni, Shakya. Sakya Muni is another name of number 1, the first answer is Mahavir. The second answer is Buddha. The third answer is Lord Shiva. And the fourth answer is Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu. So, Sakya Muni is another name of Mahavir, Buddha, Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. The another name is Buddha. Buddha's another name is Sakya Muni. Then number 8. As per the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights are, as per the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights are number 1, A, first option 5, number B, second option 6, number C, third option is 7, number D, the fourth option is 8. As per the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights are the first option 5, second option 6, third option 7 and the fourth option is 8. So the correct one is 6. Correct one is 6. So the next one is next one, number 9. Number 9. The ninth one is, what is the minimum age required to become a member of Rajya Sabha? What is the minimum age required to become a member of Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha. Number A, the first one is 25 years. Number A, 25 years. Number B, 30 years. Number C, 35 years. Number D, no age limit. No age limit. So what is the minimum age required to become the member of a Rajya Sabha in India? Of a member of Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is 30 years. The correct answer is 30 years. Number 10. The maximum duration for which the president's office can remain vacant. The president's office can remain vacant. Is number 1 is 1 month. Number B is 2 months. Number C is 3 months. Number C is 3 months. Number D is 4 months. The maximum duration for which the president's office can remain vacant. The first option is 1 month, second option is 2 months, third option is 3 months, and the fourth option is 4 months. So the correct one is 4 months. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको कुछ और जीके क्वेश्चंस को दिखाएंगे। इससे पहले आप ये सारे जीके क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स को अच्छी तरह से फॉलो अप कीजिए और साथ में पूरी वीडियो को शुरू से लेके आखिर तक देखिए। देखने से आपको इस वीडियोस के बारे में बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आएगा। और साथ ही में आप लोग को मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, इस वीडियो को लाइक और जितना जन हो सकेगा और जितना ग्रुप से हो सकेंगे सब में शेयर कीजिए और साथ में अपना कमेंट देना मत भूलिएगा। इससे हम अपना वीडियोस को और भी इम्प्रूवाइज मैनर में आपके सामने में पेश करेंगे। और आखिरी में ये कहना चाहूँगा कि कुनास हॉरिजॉन को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए फॉर ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस and current uploads videos. So thank you. Let's finish.